just loud in the background. Hi Rosebuds, welcome back to my channel. So about a month ago, right when a lot of the Black Lives Matter movement events started happening, I decided to do a little shopping spree, and let me tell you, I never ever do shopping sprees. I shopped at 12 different online stores. This whole haul or shopping spree, I must say, stemmed off of the whole thing with Dolls Kill and Black Lives Matter. For those that don't know, I actually decided to stop working with Dolls Kill, which was really saddening for me because you guys know that I love Dolls Kill. That's like one of my favorite places to shop, so making the decision to stop working with them was really hard for me. My closet and my fashion sense was a bit sad. Long story short, the owner of Dolls Kill, Shawty Lynn, her actions toward the Black Lives Matter movement just didn't sit well with me. I guess I just didn't really agree with some of the actions and the decisions that they have made as a company, and I really truly believe that it's important for me to work with companies and brands where our values align together. So because of that, I spent all night doing a ton of research, looking at different tweets and recommendations so that I could compile a big list of brands that you guys can alternatively shop at rather than Dolls Kill. I will be sure to include my list that I curated in my description box so you guys can check that out. I also noted which one was a Black owned business or not. I personally have been trying to shop Black owned businesses if I have the opportunity to, so if you guys want to do the same, you guys can find those on my list. While I was compiling that list, I was like, you know what? Let me just do a shopping spree. That way you guys can actually see some of the products from these brands instead of me just saying, hey, here's a big list. Good luck. Like I said earlier, I shopped at 12 different stores and I spent like, you know what? Let me just look it up for you. So I spent $885.70 on my shopping spree. Alright, so speaking of shopping spree, this video is sponsored by ShopTagger. If you guys are unfamiliar with ShopTagger, they are a shopping app that you guys can use on your laptop and mobile device. I use them quite often when I'm shopping. I would say majority of the time I use it when I'm buying luxury items because they can let you know when an item is either back in stock or discounted, which is very helpful because, you know, I just don't have that kind of coin to be dropping all this money for a luxury item. So I will either wait till it goes on sale or either I will just save it into a wish list. I actually bought some Versace socks, which I added into my ShopTagger, and ShopTagger notified me and let me know that they were on sale. So you know who bought them? This girl did. The way it works is that you download the app and the item that you want to save onto ShopTagger, you just click on it, click the size, and then it saves into the ShopTagger app. It's cool too because when you're actually shopping at checkout, a little shopping bag person will like, not a person, he's not a person, he's a shopping bag. That way they can help add some coupon codes at checkout for more savings. They also added a new cashback feature, which is super cool because who doesn't want free money when you're already spending money? ShopTagger also added a ton more Black owned businesses onto their list. So if you guys want to do a shopping spree like me, Black owned business or not, when you guys go window shopping, you guys can organize your items into different wish lists. So if you guys want to start saving while you guys are shopping, click the link in my description box to download ShopTagger. Alright, so you guys ready for this haul? Because I'm ready and I really want to show you guys all the cool stuff that I got. Alright, so I'm gonna start with casual clothes first. This brand is called Adorned by Chi. From what I got is that she does a lot of graphic design. Adorned by Chi style is just so adorable and so cute, very quiet, very my aesthetic. I wanted to get so many things, honestly, from all these different shops, but I knew that my voice I couldn't buy too many things because then I would have just ended up spending like $3 grand, which I gotta pay rent, you know? So this is the Crewneck Sweater that I got. It says pretty girls like anime, and I mainly got it because I really liked the color. I kind of felt a little like when I was buying it because I personally don't watch a lot of anime, so I kind of felt fake buying it, but I realized it's not like it says I am a pretty girl that watches anime. It just says pretty girls like anime. The next brand that we got is called It's Death World. My first purchase from them is just a regular black tee. I don't have many black tees with just plain white print, and I think that's a very good staple to have in your closet. If you're styling any kind of streetwear, it's just nice to have a simple type of shirt that's not just a plain black tee. I think the only one I have is the BT21 shirt, and you know, I love BTS and all, but sometimes it just doesn't go with every single outfit. The second purchase from It's Death that world is this Camel Jacket. It seemed really sturdy, and surprisingly it was only $10 more than the t-shirt. I think camo, even though it's not really trending in fashion at the moment, is always going to be a trend in fashion. It's a little bit more oversized and long, which is really cool. Their logo or their icon is a baby spider. Well, it's not a baby. I don't even know if it's a baby. All I know is that it's a spider. And for those that don't know, I have a pet spider. I really like that it was embroidered onto the chest right here. Honestly, they kind of sold me on that. So I just kind of had to get the jacket. And it has plenty of pockets. Hello. Now moving on to lingerie, we got the one, the only, my queen, Rihanna. They do have a membership where you get like discounts and like special deals. So I highly recommend, if you guys shop lingerie a lot, to get that membership, because over $50 for a bra. It's a lot. But I love Rihanna and I support her. So I personally saw it as something that I could use as a top. And you know, for the itty bitty titty committee, that's like a perk of mine, is that I get to wear bralettes and bras as tops. So that's why I really like this one. So the next two items are these Iridescent Lavender Set. Well, it wasn't a set. I had to buy it separately. And I also got the matching bikini bottoms to go with it. I don't kind of match or anything to like wear this for. So I was mainly thinking about it for just like cute photos. That's just like what I think about nowadays. I really wanted this to be a whole set, but unfortunately the tops and the bras that they had to go with it were out of my size. So that leads me to my next brand that I bought from, which is We Are Unapologetic. They actually had a lavender bralette, so I decided to buy it from there in hopes that it would somewhat match, and it kind of does. The next shop that I have is called Oh Dolly Dearest, and I got this really adorable pink two-piece set. Super cute, and it's pink, so it's definitely my aesthetic. I feel like a cute little jellyfish in this. The material has roses on it, which I think is super cute. That's it for clothing. Unfortunately, there are 4 shops that I still don't have things from. These are the shops that I purchased from that I have not received their order. Everyone else except for House of Aris. Unfortunately, these other 3 companies never even emailed me, updated me, saying that there's going to be a delay because of COVID. I completely understand, because a lot of people have been like shouting them out and saying they're a Black-owned business, go support them. So I'm pretty sure they got flooded with a bunch of orders within like the past couple months, which is great. Good for them. I'm not bummed that my order has been taking like over a month. I think I'm just more bummed that I wasn't able to include them into this video, because I really wanted to show you guys what I got. Bummer. Moving on, so we got some accessories. The first accessory that I wanted to show you is from 1929 Galore. They are a jewelry brand, and I got this gold link chain bracelet. I also picked up a little keychain from Badmouth Bruja. From what I know, or what I could see on their website, is that they do graphic design and artwork as well. Lastly, I got a couple things from Proper Nar. I love this company a lot. I think their aesthetic kind of just like matches my aesthetic. I really want to buy so much stuff from them. 2-item limit. So the first thing I got was this little pin, and it's a little hang 10 sign. Oh, don't tell me this pin does not look like my hand right now. My whole dad's side of the family is from Hawaii, so they're always like doing the shaka and whatnot. So I thought this was pretty cool. So the last piece that I wanted to show you guys, and I'm really excited because I love this piece so much. It is this print. I guess I just won't show my face. This is the Creation of Adam painting by Michelangelo, and the hands have long acrylic nails. That's why I felt like it was so me, and I like absolutely needed it. I want it, I got it, girl. I love it so much. Anyone else want to get it? So we could be like print twins. Alright, you guys, that is it for my Black-owned business shopping spree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out Shop Tagger if you guys plan to do any kind of shopping spree, or maybe not a shopping spree, but just any shopping in general. You guys can click the link in my description box. If you guys want to connect with me on social media, all my socials are at the Nava Rose, except for TikTok, which is at the.Nava-Rose. I forgot to mention this in the beginning, but the AdSense for this video will be donated to a Black Lives Matter organization. Thank you guys so much for all your love during just like everything during 2020, to be honest. 2020 has been a roller coaster. I love that everyone's making change for the better, so thank you to everyone who has been supporting. Let me know if you guys shop at any of these places, and let me know how you guys like it. I love you guys with all my heart, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in